Presenting the Prestige Iris mixer grinder in white and blue color. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars and 1 juicer jar. It has a powerful 750 watt motor to perform all kinds of heavy grinding and blending functions in the kitchen. It comes with a motor overload protector switch that ensures safety for your appliance. The main unit of the mixer grinder is made of ABS plastic. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars and a transparent juicer jar for all grinding, blending and juicing needs. The stainless steel jars are rust resistant and can be washed and wiped easily. The easy grip handles are sturdy and are made of durable plastic that prevents slippage. The mixer grinder has a multifunction blade system with stainless steel blades that makes blending and grinding an easy task. The cylindrical shape of the mixer grinder makes it compact, and the 3-speed setting with whip function allows you to control the speed of the motor according to your need and preference. The Prestige Iris mixer grinder comes with 2 years warranty. You can pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery and installation, please refer to the product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.